What is wrong with you?
Welcome back to my channel.
That's what all people do. You gotta be different to blow up.
Dedrick, what you want me to do?
Welcome. And now. Dude, I can. We're back. You never took me alive. No, you gotta put your mouth to the side. You'll never take me alive.
You'll never take me alive.
You'll never take me
alive. You'll never take
me alive.
You'll never take me alive.
Big Papa Pump. Big Papa Pump.
Big Papa Pump. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I feel good, I feel great, I feel Gucci, I feel straight. So, as you already know, I am back with another Halloween makeup. He wanted to be in the video so bad. He over here trying to make me laugh. Like, say something.
You'll never take me alive. Tag me.
Gotcha. Anyways, those D-Bro.
Behind the scenes stringing.
I am stupid stoked for today's because I have been wanting to do this ever since the beginning of all of the Halloween looks that I've done this year. We are about to do the Wicked Witch of the West makeup look. Now, I'm black, the Wicked Witch is white. We've seen in the Oz that the Wicked Witch was black, I believe. I don't really remember in the Oz. Okay, so I looked it up and no, it's not even called the Oz. It's called the Wiz. And in the Wiz, the witch wasn't green. She was just black with a big nose. Anyways, you get the point. First off, Patrick Star killed. When I say killed, he killed this look. And Mikey from Glam and Gore, the YouTube channel, she killed this look also. And she did a really funky ending scene where she made like the witch like melt. So I found this cream makeup. Oh, it's upside down. It's just like the cream makeup stuff. We have this like muddy mask green makeup stuff. I tried both of them on my face before getting into the look. The little mud stuff here, it was very much more brighter than the cream makeup putty stuff. So I think I'm probably going to use this more so than this. I did get a few responses from a few people about the like talk-throughs or the speed throughs, and a lot of people said that they like to hear me talk, so I want to talk. First off, I am going to use a little bit of my primer. Dedrick, I don't need you hollering in the background, especially after what you put me through yesterday. I am going to start with my green color corrector. So next, I am going to use my little muddy putty, and I'm just going to use this this little brush. And as y'all can see, like right now, what I'm doing is I'm basically not just putting it on, but I'm kind of like tapping it on because this is some really thick stuff, and the more that I like slide on my face, the more it kind of moves around. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder, and I'm just gonna use my sponge that I just used. I'm just gonna set. I look like Shrek. I look like Shrek. So I'm gonna just go in with the Sexy Kitty that I used last week. With the black. Show y'all, but I just used that green down there. So then I'm going to go in with this yellow. This is crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease out, and I'm just gonna use this LA Pro Concealer, Ultra Stay Dusty. I'm gonna use just this here. Like it's more of just like a pearl color. Next I'm just gonna go in with this yellow here. Last, I'm gonna just take this black here because I'm making it a little too light in my eyes, and I don't want my eyes to be light. I want it to be a little bit more like dark. I do want to brighten like the inside up though, so I'm gonna just take this like silver color here from my Kat Von D palette, and I'm just going to like tap that on the inside there. That looks a lot better. Do my eyeliner. I'm going to bake again. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia again. Ooh, I ain't going to have nothing left. I'm a fine ass witch. That actually looks really weird. I'm gonna take this here white and I'm gonna just shag it up underneath where I got that yellow at and leave it there until I get done. I just took some white eyeshadow and kind of just dusted it, busted and disgusted. I just kind of just dusted it up underneath my eyes because that yellow had me looking like a drug addict. So I'm gonna keep this right here until we done with the video, because y'all not finna play me. Patrick Star used a black for his contour. I ain't that talented, but guess what? I'm gonna use it anyway. I am about to kind of highlight my face. I think I'm gonna use silver to highlight this here with silver. Ooh, girl, that highlight is popping. Period. Y'all know this like my trademark here. Putting it on your little top lip. They ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So most of these Wicked Witches around here, they doing the red lipstick. Okay, mind you, the real Wicked Witch of the West did not have lipstick. She was an ugly, ugly, ugly witch. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going with some pink lipstick because, you know, I'm a Barbie. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go with this pink and put this over it, and then I'm gonna make it look real bomb. Like, I seem to like not like to do this, but I got to do this. I'm gonna just put like a little more because I don't really have anything. I'll put some. Fine. I look so funny. All in all, that cheap ass cream putty muddy stuff that I use is bomb, okay? Wicked Witch of the West Side. Yeah, I had to call Natalie because I usually call Nat when like she's usually the first person to get to see like the looks. She get the first look. She'll be like, "Oh, come here, find it," and then we'll like consult about what I should do next. And then she'll be like, "Oh, you should do this. You should do that." And I'm like, "Nah, I can't do that. Can't do that." And so she has to be the first person to see the looks. Love this look. I'm stupid stoked that it turned out as good as it did. It turned out actually way better than I visualized, and that's kind of like how any other look goes. Like you can visualize like what you want it to look like, but it won't end up looking like that. So yes, thank you guys for coming back another week with me to I don't know what's wrong. Like I didn't take nothing. I ain't drink nothing. I don't know what's wrong. I'm just up there. I'm up there. Yeah. I just feel like I look like a ghetto witch. Ghetto wicked witch of the west side. Anyways, thanks you everyone. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Ring the bell so you are notified of every video that I drop. And I'll see you soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.